Hello, guys. Welcome to a new episode of Talk. And today I'll be talking about something very casual, which is usually not my approach because I tend to keep some sort of information in my videos. But today, for a change, the topic is very much more
Ouch.
casual. Okay, not that casual, but yeah, kind of casual. The topic for today is just Bollywood in general, and I've got someone who is just batshit crazy about Bollywood, Naisha
True
Sachdev.
that.
Hi, Naisha. Welcome to
Hello,
Talk.
thank you for having me.
Yeah. Or first of all, yeah, general question. This is like a staple now on this show, which is how are you holding up during this COVID situation, lockdown?
Pretty good, I guess. Matlab, I've been trying to do something new almost every day. So, okay. How about you?
Uh, same, almost like. Yeah, I started this actually, so this is a lot of work. Editing and all this is quite long, so yeah, that's that.
Hmm.
Try sketching also sometimes, so yeah.
Pretty cool.
Thank you. So yeah, excited for today's topic, I suppose.
Yeah, very. मतलब मैं इतनी काम साउंड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ बट मैं अंदर से चिल्ला रही हूँ पता है कि आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स टू टॉक अबाउट राइट नाउ.
Okay, so yeah, first of all, because we are talking about Bollywood, we should, I think, start by remembering uh, three legends whom we lost during, like, in the recent past.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are first of all Mr. Irfan Khan, Mr. Rishi Kapoor, and of course Sushant Singh Rajput. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, so let's talk about three of them. I think first, let's begin by that.
I just feel कि Irfan Khan was very underrated. Like he was so talented, and I mean, look at the movies he has done, like Pan Singh Tomar. Oh my
Yeah,
God!
Makbul.
Oh,
Like I
amazing.
feel he wasn't underrated. Like yeah, but for more like a better part of his career, he was underrated. But until recently he kind of earned this image where he became a bankable actor, like he could carry a film alone, like Hindi medium
Mm,
and Angrezi medium, which recently came out.
yeah,
Yeah, it is a big loss.
yeah,
Could
truly.
have expected a lot more from him.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rishi Kapoor, what's your thought on Rishi Kapoor?
Um. Okay, so Rishi Kapoor hits very close to home, because of certain reasons.
Okay.
But the thing is, um, I think he was a very celebrated actor, and his movies में ना there's this one charm about him. मतलब even if you see his older movies,
Yeah.
and even his मतलब he's one actor, apart from Mr. Bachchan, who had a different career graph in his later years.
Yeah. I personally feel he had done one of his life's like best works in his second innings.
Yeah, truly. Imagine like even I think I was watching this one award ceremony where I think he got um an award for his character in Kapoor and Sons.
Yeah, that was a good character. Like
That was a
old
yeah,
characters.
exactly. And not many
Even
actors that age prefer doing that because it's like
yeah,
कि, you know.
shady character or maybe even like side character सोचते हैं लोग. Uh,
हाँ,
even like many people think that मैं कौन हूँ, मैं इतना बड़ा actor मैं क्यों करूँ. There's that ego thing going on. So
right.
he wasn't like that. Even like, have you seen his role in Agnipath?
Oh,
It's
amazing.
dark. It's dark, and like you don't expect him to do that, and he does that. That was the beauty about Rishi Kapoor, I think.
Yeah. Even like there was this one movie, I'm not sure if you watched it. It's called Mulk with Tapsi Pannu and
बीच में से देखा है मैंने. I have not seen it fully, but I
अच्छा.
know it's a good movie. अनुभव सिन्हा का है ना?
Right, right, yeah.
So yeah,
That was his
that
one.
was Rishi Kapoor. Then of course Sushant,
Oh,
man. Like,
Again, underrated. I just feel like this guy was so underrated.
yeah, even like, but again, he got, I think, he couldn't really get out of the shadow of these big stars and
Hmm.
hold that. Like, even like a movie like Sonchiriya couldn't do that good. Whereas at the same time, I think Soti 2 had released, if I'm not wrong, and that did
Yeah.
like big numbers. So
Even
that's
I feel like when you watch Kedarnath, have you seen Kedarnath?
yeah.
Yeah, so उसमें भी I felt like he did such an amazing job, even with like the dancing, the acting, everything.
Yeah, he is a trained professional dancer. Na? He used to dance for Shamak Das.
Yeah. But why that movie everybody kept talking about Sara Ali, that
Because that was her debut, so it became like the
yeah,
focus shifted totally on her.
yeah.
So yeah, there's also a lot of like conspiracies going around his demise, but we don't really want to get into
Want
it.
to get into that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let the CBI do its job.
exactly.
So yeah, that was that. I think we can move on towards the first topic that we are going to discuss. Of course, because we are talking about Bollywood, this topic is always gonna pop in front of us, and that is nepotism.
Oh my God. You know, the thing is, when somebody says nepotism, na, the first thought that comes to my mind is Ananya Pandey. I'm like, क्या है? मतलब, what is so special in you कि मैं तेरे को देखूं, you know?
Man, like she's cute, but that's that. Like nothing as an actress, she is at least okay. कितना movies निकला उसका? 2 movies ना?
हाँ.
Weren't great movies, but again, come on, like I feel even Alia Bhatt's first movie was Soti, and that wasn't very great. But when you look at Udta Punjab and when you look at Razi,
Right.
she has evolved. So I think we should give Ananya time, but uh, at this moment, I don't think there is like a great potential for her.
Yeah, but if you see, if you're comparing her with Alia ka movies, if you see, second one I think was Humpty Sharma
Humpty Sharma was
and
Highway.
Highway. Yeah, oh, Highway. But
Highway was
that's
a
my
good movie.
point. Like Highway में she literally proved herself. ये क्या
Yeah,
पति पत्नी और वो में क्या रोल था उसका?
yeah, literally. That was again a movie was overall shit, so can't really
Yeah,
say anything.
exactly. And plus,
Again,
but I think she's trying to be the second Alia, and then you know, like Alia Bhatt का वो phase था ना, where सब लोग उसको ऐसा dumb बुला रहे थे, and they were
yeah,
like, कि
yeah,
अरे.
yeah, yeah. Exactly,
And
that's
then
going on with her now.
exactly, so that's I think that's what she's trying to do. मतलब to be like Alia, and then
Maybe. Let's see. So yeah, I want to ask you this. Let's be frank. What is your thought on nepotism? What in Bollywood? I'll give
okay,
mine. You give yours first.
okay, cool. What I feel is like, अगर ना nepotism, if you're good, I will watch you. I'm like, I will say it from a very like an audience perspective कि
Okay.
अगर तुम्हारा काम अच्छा है, if then I would watch your movies. But if you are just like blank and you don't know what you're doing and you just मतलब it's very clear that you got it just because you have famous parents, then that's not fair, and I would not watch such movies. So that's my
Agree.
take on it.
I agree. That's exactly actually my take, man. Because see again, like if you look at an actor like maybe Ranbir Kapoor or uh, I don't know, Saif is a versatile actor. We'll get into that
Yeah,
maybe later ahead.
yeah,
But if you look at actors like these, they have talent. So you cannot just say that ये इसका बस बाप famous है या माँ famous है इसलिए आ गया या आ गई.
हाँ.
But give them time, I say. But again, you are the one who goes and watches movies like Soti 2, so can't really blame. Like,
I told, but
man, like Tiger Shroff, what does Tiger Shroff do?
oh
I
my
don't know
god,
why he's hyped so much.
exactly, वो सब कूदता है हर जगह and gymnastics करता है and everybody is like, oh my god, he's so amazing. I'm like, भाई
Yeah,
उससे dialogue नहीं बोले जा रहे हैं.
exactly, man. Yeah,
So
so
can't.
that's I think our take on nepotism overall. Anything else? Any
Yeah.
other like Anything else you want to say about Star Kids?
Star Kids, I mean, okay, I want to talk about like specific Star Kids. Like if you go and watch Janvi Kapoor or Arjun Kapoor, उनको कोई please जाके बोलो please stop acting. Like Janvi is still on the earlier stage, so you can still say कि चलो, and the
Scope
her
है.
हाँ, and उसका जो नया movie आ रहा है, I might watch it, गुंजन सक्सेना, the one with the Air Force
Yeah.
thing. I would watch that one, okay. मतलब उसमें at least उसका थोड़ा बहुत from the trailer से थोड़ा बहुत तो उसमें emotions दिख रहा है. But like when I saw धड़क, मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि गन लाओ, मैं I want to shoot myself. What is this?
Man, I don't like Shashank Khaitan. I just
नहीं,
don't.
but Shashank Ketan has done some good movies. Like if you see Badrinath की दुनिया, again very
No, I
cliche
didn't
कर
like
जोहर
that.
kind of
मुझे
film.
नहीं पसंद आया.
I thought Varun
Director.
Dhawan did a good job with the accents and everything, but apart
Mhm.
from that, yeah, okay.
No, like I feel Shashank Khaitan is just trying to be another Karan Johar. Low-key
Yeah,
feel like that.
could be.
Hmm.
Haven't watched many of his films though, so I cannot comment much about him.
Hmm. I watched this and धड़क थोड़ा थोड़ा देखा था.
मैंने literally सिर्फ धड़क का ट्रेलर देखा है and I was like I can't
It
because
was bad. It was bad.
I'm just like Janvi Kapoor was sad and her face looked like she was, oh shit, I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Um, her face literally in Dhadak was like blank.
Frank.
The entire trailer she's blank and I'm just like तेरे को दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Hmm.
So it was bad.
Like
And
maybe
I think
if you.
even Shahid's brother is doing a good job. Ishan Khattar, I think.
Nah. Let's wait again.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But what are your
Yeah,
thoughts on Arjun Kapoor?
Shahid is a good nepotism ka, what you say, approved.
Yeah. Yeah. But like in his early movies, तो ऐसा लग रहा था क्या कर रहा है ये? But
Yeah,
like
but
when you
again, like
watch
Jab We
Kabir
Met
Singh
के,
and everything. हाँ हाँ,
no,
Jab
like
We
Jab
Met
We
was
Met
an
was a
amazing
good.
one. Kabir Singh
Jab
was
We Met,
mind blowing.
yeah. Kabir Singh was like the movie was shit, but his acting was good.
Yeah.
I
Agreed.
frankly felt the movie wasn't so.
Yeah.
It was hyped well and all that. The feminism thing came up, so because of that, they got engagement. But
Yeah.
there was nothing as such to be celebrated in the movie. It wasn't. It was a mediocre movie according to me. But yeah, good. Even Udta Punjab was fabulous, man.
Urta Punjab was amazing.
Too good, too good. That his character
So
was
good.
like
Even
so good.
especially मतलब Shahid and Alia का characters were so well written.
Yeah. Yes, that's that. So we can, I think, move on from nepotism now. Too much.
Yeah.
Uh, Moving on, I think we talked about directors. Let's talk about directors more. Who are your favorite directors? At least like 2 to 3 of them.
Okay, I'm gonna name three.
Okay.
Zoya Akhtar, because who doesn't love her?
Okay.
Ayan Mukherjee
Okay.
and Imtiaz Ali.
Imtiaz Ali. Yeah, same. Imtiaz is a good director, but
My
like
main
recently,
reason,
I don't know what he's up to. I don't
yeah,
know, man.
the latest movie was horrible. Seriously, I
Yeah,
agree.
man. The annoying thing about Imtiaz Ali is his fan base. That's the thing. His fan base just hypes him so much, like he's too good. And like, what happens is that once you start hyping a person too much, this is even true for actors. When you start hyping them too much, now it doesn't become about what they are doing or what,
Yeah.
like how good they are at their craft, but it becomes about
Hmm.
who they are. Like, अभी मुझे
Yeah.
रणबीर कपूर पसंद है because he
Hmm.
acts well. But
Right.
what happens is that later it evolves into this liking towards the person himself. समझ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ.
So
Right.
when that happens, you ignore where he's going wrong. Like now, Besharam था ना उसका एक movie.
हाँ. Horrible.
Besharam wasn't, yeah, horrible movie. But what happens
Yeah.
that once you are like totally, you become a fanboy or a fangirl, you are like यार ये अच्छा है, कुछ भी कर ले ये अच्छा है.
हाँ.
So I think that's what's happening with even Imtiaz Ali.
Yeah.
Hmm,
Matlab, you know, the thing with Imtiaz Ali, why many people like him also, and I just feel like this is true for all the three actors that I spoke about, actors,
hmm,
names, sorry, directors that I spoke about, was that they know how to show emotions well on screen.
yeah. Like they extract everything they can get from their actors. That's the thing.
Yeah,
Like at that stage in Shahid Kapoor's career, to get a performance like what he did in Jab We Met is just too good.
yeah, exactly, exactly. And even like, okay, now I'm gonna, because I really like Ranbir Kapoor, तो मैं उसके aspect से बात करूंगी. Um, when you watch a movie like Ye Jawani, I know a lot of people do not like it also, but
Okay.
the way he expresses that sort of brokenness within
Hmm.
him, like
Yeah.
he chose this life to live like a gypsy, तो वो
Yeah.
तो वो उसमें जो दर्द है ना वो बहुत क्लियरली दिखता है एंड आई डोंट
Hmm.
नो हाउ दे पोर्ट्रे इट बट इट लुक्स सो गुड ऑन स्क्रीन.
Yeah. Uh, I feel, yes, Ye Jawani has its flaws, like flaws, sorry. Like उसमें भी ऐसे गलतियां है, काफी चीजें हैं जो मुझे like maybe avoidable feel होता है, या ये ऐसे कर सकते थे. वो ऐसा हर कोई फील करता है, बट एक डायरेक्टर सालों लगा के बनाता है तो कुछ तो सोच के बनाया होगा. But
राइट.
but the thing is that overall vibe of the movie is like you are sitting in a raft and you are flowing down a river, so you don't really know. You
राइट.
just watch the movie and it has finished. You have a smile on your face. That's the beauty of Ye Jawani, I think.
इवन लाइक इफ यू वॉच जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा आई जस्ट
Yeah,
फेल्ट
yeah,
लाइक उसमें हर एक इमोशन इज पोर्ट्रेट सो
yeah.
वेल दैट
It
यू
has a
यू
little
फील इट.
more of conflicts within the characters compared to Ye
या.
Jawani.
या.
It's just, I think, Dil Chahta Hai on drugs. That's
या.
it. I feel that's
Right.
it. High budget Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah. But I really like such movies जिसमें ना the vibe is very chill. मतलब intense
Mm-hmm.
movies are essential for because cinema is not always about ऐसे हंसते खेलने का, but it also has some very serious movies that need attention.
Yeah.
But I personally enjoy watching movies like this, which are very like not super intense and like
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah. And you even mentioned Zoya. Can you elaborate on Zoya?
Yeah, I mean, Zoya was again Zindagi Na Milegi
Yeah.
Dobara, Dil Chahta Hai. Even Rock On, again, I don't know if
Rock
many
On,
people have
no.
watched
Rock
it.
On was, I think, a guy named Abhishek Banerjee.
Oh,
No.
my bad. I
No.
thought she was okay. So, but if you
No.
see Dil Chahta Hai or ZNMD, I feel like she knows what she's doing. Even in Dil Dhadakne Do,
Yeah.
she portrays the emotions very well. मतलब उन लोग का the class of the movies is entirely different. मतलब
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like ऐसा style होता है. Then there's also
Mm-hmm.
very
And
basic things में बहुत कुछ detailing जो है ना is what I like about her.
yeah, yeah. Have you seen Luck by Chance? Uska first movie.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen that one.
Man, I feel that's her best movie. Like it's so good.
Yeah, yeah, again, amazing. Even
But
उसमें even when she makes all these like actors act very bitchy and everything,
yeah, yeah.
which was again very fun to watch.
Mhm. But frankly, let me ask you: do you feel Gully Boy deserve to go to the Oscars?
Honestly, no.
Yeah,
Matlab, Gully
same.
Boy is a good movie, but I don't see it going to the Oscars. I think a movie like Dangal should go to the Oscars. A movie like Chapak should go to the Oscars. Matlab, they have, like even
If you look into it, Gully Boy is just 8 Mile 2.0. So same thing,
yeah,
like rapper, and there is this in the end there is a competition and all that. So basically, even in Oscars, you the basic thing is originality. So
right.
that that was missing in it.
Yeah, and I think Gully Boy is a good film. मतलब Filmfare Award तक ठीक है, but I don't see it going to the Oscars.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So now I think I should mention my favorite directors.
Yes, I was
Uh,
about to ask you.
yeah. My most favorite director is Shojit Sarkar.
Ooh,
Man, he's
good choice.
brilliant. Like Piku. It's such a simple movie. Again, it just
I
flows.
know. Yeah.
And there is Madras Cafe. That is totally
Ooh,
totally
ama-
intense.
good
It's
choice.
yeah. The thing about him is he is always you know he's experimenting with different genres. He's not like stereotyped or typecasted into a single thing. But even
Right.
like recently Gulabo Sitabo, not that great, but you can sit and watch it. He
Okay.
like there is this paisa vasool element in his movies.
Hmm.
And second is of course Anurag Kashyap.
Oh,
Man, like too dark. And
too
but
dark. Yeah.
nowadays he's kind of Manmarzia wasn't that great. Choked was okay, but like he bought this neo noir thing into
Hmm.
Bollywood when actually Karan Johar thing was going on. And if you like
Yeah.
directly compare, Karan Johar's characters are all either really good or really like villainous. But in Anurag
Hmm.
Kashyap movies, characters are grey. So
Yeah.
no one is too good. Everyone, that's the truth of life, right? No one is totally good or bad. Everyone has some evil in them or some good in them. Like, so that's a good thing about Anurag Kashyap. He keeps things realistic. Uh,
Hmm.
and like also he has this outlook that movies are not for entertainment. What do you think about it?
True. Movies
Like,
are not always about
yeah,
entertainment.
so he's always emphasizing on that fact. I think that's true because it shouldn't be about the audience always. It should be it Movies can be more abstract. Short films
Yeah.
showed us to that because endings are never a proper thing in short films, and that's
Yeah.
totally okay.
Agreed. Hmm.
So yeah, he's there. Then I like Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra is too good.
Ooh. Yes. Great
Rang De
movies.
Basanti, Bhag Milka Bhag.
Bhag Milkha Bhag. Amazing.
Yeah. Have you seen Rang De Basanti?
I have seen Rang De Basanti,
It's a nice
and
movie. I feel it's
it
underrated.
exactly, dude. उसमें I think again emotion movie. I love emotion movies, and
Yeah.
every emotion you can feel. So I think,
Yeah, and I really love the parallel between that Bhagat Singh revolution and their
हाँ,
conflicts. It's too good. But I
yeah,
don't
amazing.
I don't endorse killing ministers and all that. But like the thing is good.
Yeah, even like जब वो again emotion वाला part की बात कर रही when when उसका जो friend होता है, I think he's in the air force and
Yeah.
उसका flight crash हो
Spoiler
जाता है
alert.
या कुछ accident होता है, yeah.
Mhm.
And everybody is
Sorry
like,
guys, forgot to say spoiler for every Bollywood movie.
yeah,
Damn.
yeah,
Okay.
really.
Hmm. Yeah, go ahead.
So when flight crash होता है and everybody starts blaming the pilot कि उसके वजह से हुआ था, and then these
Uh,
guys go like कि वैसा नहीं हुआ था and everything. So they bring out this this kind of like I don't know उसको English में क्या बोलते हैं, but like मोर्चा kind of a thing.
yeah,
Yeah, and I think it was very well put.
a protest, a protest.
Yeah, yeah, protest.
Yeah, that's a good movie. Again, like I think we commonly like some directors, like Sanjay Leela Bansali, even though the scale is too grand, but he delivers accordingly.
I have one complaint with Mr. Bhansali, and that is कि वेर प्लीज उनको कोई टॉर्च लाके दो या कोई लाइट लाके दो बिकॉज उनकी मूवी में इतना अंधेरा क्यों है.
And go watch Devdas maybe.
या प्रोबेबली देवदास
That
में तो
has
इतने
nice.
दिए थे. आई एम जस्ट लाइक
Man, but Dark. Have you seen this? Na, uska movie है ना Black na, right?
दैट वाज
Black.
फन फैक्ट दैट वाज द
And
फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड मूवी आई हैव एवर सीन.
Black.
सो या
Oh, nice. मेरा मुझे याद नहीं है. I might have seen something. I don't know. Uh, Also, like even that movie Guzarish, even that is dark.
गुजारिश या दैट्स
But
डार्क बट
I
आई
think
थिंक
Hrithik peaked there.
या रियली
People say that उसका Super 30 में इतना अच्छा acting. Go watch Guzarish.
Yeah, Gazarish is great. And
Yeah.
like I think that was his like thing he can do versatile things. Otherwise, पहले तो early 90s में he was just overexcited for no
Yeah.
reason. And after that, he was
2000s.
just doing Koi Mil Gaya Krish wale type of movies. So I think
True.
this was a good break from that.
Hmm. Yeah, and I think Raj Rajkumar Hirani,
Yeah, Three
great
Idiots,
director.
iconic.
Yeah. Maybe a bit of
Uh,
over the top stuff like वो vacuum cleaner से delivery and all those
हाँ
things.
वो ज्यादा हो गया, वो ज्यादा ही
But
हो गया.
yeah, he Indian emotions like उसको कैप ये करने को उसको आता है, कैपिटलाइज करने को आता है उस पे.
हाँ, right. Even like Sanju, great
Yeah,
movie.
Sanju was a good movie, even though Sanjay Dutt was whitewashed a lot, but performances and like if you do not think of it as a biopic, it is a fantastic movie.
Yeah, agreed. But I think every movie biopic में थोड़ा white wash तो करेंगे ही ना.
Of course,
Otherwise,
अभी क्योंकि बायोपिक भाग मिल्खा भाग आया तब से बायोपिक का बहुत बड़ा मार्केट चालू हो गया.
हाँ,
Like
बरोबर.
people are just looking to capitalize on it. So yeah, that's that. And
हाँ.
yeah, last I want to mention Ashutosh Gowarikar,
हाँ, जोधा अकबर, right?
Yodha
He
Akbar,
did it.
Swades.
Ooh,
Many
nice.
might have not watched Swades. That's a brilliant movie. And maybe the only thing with people have a problem with his movies is the runtime.
हाँ, बहुत लंबा है.
Yeah, like Lagan, man, it's too long.
Ooh, but it was a good movie, dude.
Yeah, like
मतलब,
you aren't bored anywhere. But that
yeah.
I think that wasn't the case with Mohenjo-daro and all.
मोहनजोदारो किसने देखी? मैंने तो नहीं देखी.
मैं भी नहीं देखा. मैं first थोड़ा देखा. He had a crocodile fight and all. I just stopped.
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ उसका ट्रेलर में I was like, okay, not watching this
Mm-hmm.
one.
I watched it because it was like आशुतोष गोवारिकर मूवी, बट आधा ही देखा. मैं भी उतना ही देखा, उसके बाद मैं छोड़ दिया. एंड कौन सा उसका अभी और एक है ना, पानीपत आई थिंक.
Oh
wasn't
God.
wasn't great, I think. Was it good?
Again, ट्रेलर देख के I was like, नहीं
Uh-huh.
चाहिए.
Yeah, like
Uh,
it kind of felt like Padmavat 2.0.
oh my God, इतने memes बने उससे. They're
हाँ,
like when you order something and when it
yeah.
actually comes.
When it actually comes, yes. uh, yeah, and like last but not the least, I think we have to discuss this person, Karan Johar,
Uh,
man.
uh, he's very weird. That's all I'm gonna say.
Man, like again, he is like we told that Hirani exaggerates stuff, but this is Hirani on drugs, minus the
You know
brilliance.
the thing with Karan Johar is like, अगर ना if you are okay, this is to all the female listeners out there. I'm not sure if you have any. Just saying.
Man.
Subtle burn. Okay,
Okay.
so what
You are
I'm
the
saying is,
first. You are the first female guest on this podcast. Representation.
okay, I'm touched and flattered at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, so what I was saying is that I think a lot of females kind of enjoy watching Karan Johar movies because of his idea of love and वो ऐसा
Fairy
colors and
tales and
everything. Fairy tales, I think he's very good at portraying those.
yeah.
But he has also spoiled many lives in reality because अभी हमको रियल लाइफ में कोई दोस्ती अच्छी नहीं लगती, कोई लव, कोई सा रोमांस वाला फीलिंग ही नहीं आता. एंड
Yeah, cause
जस्ट इन
that's life.
जनरल आई नो राइट. एंड इवन द कॉलेज लाइफ जो उसकी बात करते हैं यार, मतलब
His
वो
colleges are like, man, Amity, man, even Amity isn't
नहीं.
that big.
I remember watching this one reaction video or something of that sort, and these guys going like कि करण जौहर को ऐसे कोई छोटा मोटा कॉलेज अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है. मतलब
Yeah,
अगर कोई फैंसी कॉलेज दिखाना हो तो इट्स ऑलवेज सेंट पॉल, सेंट जेवियर्स.
Saint
ऐसे
Teresa's.
कोई, हाँ वही ना, ऐसे कोई सादा पूरा नाम हो ही नहीं सकता ना, जैसे विद्या विहार कॉलेज. ऐसे सिंपल नाम नहीं
Yes,
रखना है.
yes.
तो हम सेंट टेरेसा नहीं होगा तो स्टाइल नहीं आएगा.
It has to be something saint,
या फॉर
and
श्योर.
it has to be huge. Like,
हाँ, मतलब वही बोलता है कि इंडिया के आप स्कूल्स देखोगे, इन रियलिटी दे हैव ग्रेट कैंपसेस, एवरीथिंग इज अमेजिंग, बट
yeah.
इनके स्कूल्स हवेली ज्यादा लगते हैं और अंदर
Yeah,
ऐसा.
even like Soti का college was like, man, इतना जगह नहीं है करने को ये
वही ना.
सब. They were showing Delhi, right, or Mumbai? I don't
No, they're
know.
saying Dehradun apparently, but I'm pretty sure that was not Dehradun. That was some.
That was Switzerland or something maybe.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. ये हम लोग को ऐसा पोपट बनाने के लिए.
I know Karan Johar has never been to Dehradun.
Yeah, for sure. नहीं, मेरे को तो नहीं लगता. मेरे को लगता है वो कभी सोबो के बाहर नहीं निकला होगा. उसकी दुनिया वही
Man,
है.
this is turning into a Karan Johar bitching session.
And also, one last thing before
Yeah.
we move on would be, do you watch Coffee with Karan?
एकदम बोर और ऐसा कुछ है नहीं और टाइम पास करना तो हॉटस्टार पे लगा देता हूँ.
Yeah, but you know, it's like it is one of my guilty pleasures. मतलब it is like
या
reality TV.
सबका है वो मजा आता है देखने
पता है
को.
सब scripted है, सब ये है, but
Is it?
देखने में अलग ही ये है कि हैम्पर मिलेगा किसको. मतलब they have everything in life, but मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ देखने को कि हैम्पर किसको मिलेगा.
Hamper is nothing. It's just iPhone and all those stuff.
I think they talk about it one of those AIB का this thing ना,
रणबीर कपूर
रणबीर
वो
कपूर
बोला
and
था
then
अरे
he
कुछ
was
नहीं
like,
होता यार वही आईफोन रहता है. Like वो लॉन्च के पहले उनके पास आ जाता है जो वाला.
हाँ वही.
Get away.
कुछ बार बोलता है ना, you get toilet seat covers and everything. I'm just like क्या करेगा इस सब का
वो
फालतू सामान.
Rohan Joshi told that Karan Johar gave him a toilet seat cover which had like built heating and all those stuff. Like, man.
नहीं हम लोग ठीक है.
So any other director you like? Be missed.
Okay, here's the thing. I don't know the name of many directors because
Anubhav Sinha is a good director.
I mean what?
Anubhav Sinha, he transitioned though.
Yeah. Anubhav Sinha.
His
Yeah, even
earlier
Article
movies,
15. Oh my God.
his earlier
मैं-
movies were like Das and Ravan and all that, but he realized that he was doing this purely for money and he needs to change. So he did Mulk.
Yeah, Mulk was amazing.
did.
मतलब he does intense movies now, but great movies. I mean, he's putting out at
Yeah.
least good content out there.
Yes. Now he recently told that he won't be working for Bollywood.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
he even like in his Twitter name he put in front of his name in bracket not Bollywood.
Wow.
Because
Okay.
now this whole Bollywood mafia thing is going on. So I don't know. Maybe
Okay.
he'll become an independent creator or something like that.
Hmm. What are your
So-
thoughts about Rohit Shetty? Before I.
He's a genius. Let's admit it. He's a genius. He knows his audience. He's honest to his audience. He knows कि हाँ ये लोग इतने लोग हैं. He knows अगर उसको पता है कि 10 लोग मेरा मूवी देखेंगे, so he will make it for those 10 people. He won't be like अच्छा ये 10 है, एक काम करता हूँ और 90 लोग को मैं कैसे ला सकूँ ये देखता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. He will make it for 10 people. Those 10 people, each of them will go and tell other 10 people like हाँ ये अच्छा movie है and they will watch. That's how his audience grows. It's purely masala. It's not for people looking for decent movies, but yeah, you can have a laugh. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So
It's like I think Rohit Shetty ka the one iconic thing about him is the cars flying and जब तक ऐसा गाड़ी में ऐसा कुछ
and all those stuff.
हाँ वही ऐसा कुछ फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस
Yeah.
सस्ता फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस शिट नहीं होगा ना तो मजा नहीं आएगा मूवी में.
Yeah, like see, his movies are mostly cliche. If you
हाँ.
take Simba is what it is. It's a rape revenge story, which is so
Right.
80s.
हम्म,
80s में हर एक मूवी का स्क्रिप्ट ये था.
बरोबर.
Like he just knows. He puts Ranveer Singh in it. He puts Ajay Devgan in a cameo. People will come and watch. I watched it in theater. Come on.
So did I. That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
हम लोग ऐसे
Exactly.
इतना उसको ये कर रहे हैं कि अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना
एक
चाहिए
जैसा
था और
है.
हम लोग खुद जाके देख के आए.
It's the Coffee with Karan of movies.
Yeah, agreed, totally.
Yeah. So that's that. And और कोई director?
And
Farhan?
also हम लोग
Farhan? हाँ, yeah,
सूर्यवंशी देखने को जाएगा.
Man, Suryavanshi. Yeah, of course मैं जाने वाला था, but whole this thing happened.
अरे होएगा ना बाद में करेंगे वो लोग.
Yeah.
Cool.
Also, I think directors में I was going to say some name. I forgot. I think we should move on.
Okay.
The next topic should be, I think, Khans. We can discuss the 3 Khans.
Why not discuss the 4 Khans? Let's talk even about Saif Ali Khan. I just feel like
Man. Okay.
Um, मतलब तूने have you seen सैफ अली खान का earlier work? Not like the early 80s with all the horrible songs, but मैं बात कर रही हूँ like बाद में का like if you see early 2000s वाला work like हम
Like
तुम
his Hum Tum, and I think ये ना अपना Omkara and all that phase,
हाँ ओमकार
Tara
या
Ram Pam phase.
शी तारा रंपम नहीं but या
मैंने देखा नहीं है मैंने, like कल हो ना हो वो सब आता था उसका.
कल आई मतलब ना मेरे को उसका वो चॉकलेट बॉय वाला कैरेक्टर्स ना उससे बहुत जमता है इवन लाइक
Hmm.
इफ यू सी कॉकटेल में भी उसका वही कैरेक्टर था
True,
वो
yeah.
बहुत जमता है ये स्पाई बनने की कोशिश करता है ना फिर ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं तू उधर ही ठीक था
हाँ वही. But again, the thing about Saif is I think he experimented a lot, and
Yeah.
maybe the fact that he failed a lot is the reason why he isn't getting the clout that he should. If
Yeah.
suppose his experiments had like succeeded, then maybe he would have been a big, like as big as the three Khans.
Yeah. But I just feel like कि जो बाकी के even Amir Khan was pretty I would say experimental with his work but
Yeah,
बाकी के दो जो है ना उन लोग का एक ऐसा सेट पैटर्न है like
yeah.
if you see शाहरुख खान का ना this evolution वीडियो जो आता है ना यूट्यूब पे
हाँ.
he has done वो हर मूवी में बस ऐसे हाथ फैला के खड़ा है that is his thing कि वो हर
True.
मूवी में रोएगा चाम करेगा you could never tell two movies apart
Hmm.
and with Salman Khan I think in the beginning it was all about family वाली movies बनाओ हम आपके हैं कौन हम साथ
Yeah,
साथ
yeah.
है all those kind of movies and then उसके बाद में then he shifted to this you know this intense guy who's always
Swagger
about
stuff.
हाँ प्लीज वो तो मैं बस बोल रही हूँ कि वो दो खानों को ना अभी काम बंद कर देना चाहिए बहुत
I
पैसा
feel
बना
they
है
have so much money. Start producing.
एग्जैक्टली
Like
प्रोड्यूसिंग करो तुम लोग
they are already producing, but I think they are not making pretty good content when it comes to production. If they solely focus on production, they can make good stuff. Like Anushka Sharma is doing a great job
या
production wise.
बुलबुल एंड उसका जो ओटीटी
Patal Lok
सर्विसेज
was
का है
great. Patal
पाताल
Lok.
लोक वाज अमेजिंग
Even her movies were also like decent Filori and all that.
हाँ मैं वही बोल रही हूँ आई थिंक माय वन मोर थिंग आई वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट इज दैट अनुष्का शर्मा वी मिस यू वेयर आर यू मतलब उसका एक्टिंग लॉट पीपल विल से कि इतना भी ऐसा कुछ माइंड नहीं है बट आई थिंक वो बहुत सिंपल रोल्स करती है और वो बहुत बेसिक है तो मेरे को ना ऐसे जो कांस्टेंट और थोड़े बेसिक लोग हैं ना वो लोग का भी ऐसा
Yeah.
मूवीज देखने को
She's
स्टिल
like there.
एंटरटेनिंग
She doesn't do like ऐसा बड़ा धमाका करने का जरूरत नहीं है कि दिखाने के लिए कि मैं हूँ.
हाँ
She's just there in the background.
हाँ
It's like a catalyst.
हाँ बट चाहिए वो कि ऐसा थोड़ा सा लगता है कि चलो थोड़ा कुछ तो यू नो देयर समथिंग गुड दैट्स हैपनिंग
Yes. So yeah, I feel Amir has a lot of potential. He can act.
Yeah, and matlab he is showing a lot of versatility even now after being in the business for so long.
Yeah.
Matlab if you see his current work, like I think Forrest Gump का remake he's making मतलब
Yeah.
आने वाला था.
Kareena के साथ.
हाँ, but I was wanting to watch that one. Even like
I feel we
even his
shouldn't do remakes of Hollywood movies.
yeah, that is also correct.
Yeah. But you were saying something. Go ahead.
Hey, what I was saying is कि Amir Khan does do great stuff. Like even Dangal was good. I mean, movie that
Yeah,
is
Nitish
about.
Tiwari is a good director. I forgot about him.
Yeah, even his wife. I think both of them
Yeah,
together making movies.
Ayyar Tiwari something.
Yeah. She made
Bareli Ki Barfi,
Bareli Ki
man.
Barfi. Oh
I
my
love
God,
that movie. I love that movie, man.
same.
Like that
It is
that
such
one
a
scene.
basic story.
That
Basic
one
story,
scene
but
where
such great acting.
yeah, exactly. That one scene where Rajkumar Rao has finally transitioned to this swag.
Oh yeah, the bike wala scene na. When he's
He
like,
puts his
"Ruko."
hand on the rickshaw. Then
Ah,
he's like sit down. Then he takes his bike and rides away. Like there are
that
no
is
dialogues.
amazing.
There are no dialogues. It is just proper camera placement, and Ayushman is in the side. And
It was
like
such dude uska har ek moment in that film is so funny. Even I
yeah,
really enjoyed the word transition like from the this really
yeah,
simple
calm
guy
and
to
quiet
this
guy.
a
Yeah,
full swag. Great
yeah.
job.
Even like in one scene, Ayushman is sitting with his friend and drinking, and he's
हाँ
like planning to go meet Rajkumar Rao,
हाँ
and that friend is like शर्म नहीं आता है क्या तुम्हें ऐसे सताने को, and then
हाँ
Ayushman pauses for a second, he looks down, then he looks up, and he's like करते हैं ना मजा आएगा. And
या वो है.
it's simple scenes, but it's well made,
हाँ,
too well made.
very well made.
Yeah,
Even like okay, the song also in the movie amazing.
yeah, good movie. Yeah,
So good.
kinda
Even
drifted.
uh have you watched this movie? It's called Panga. It came out this year with Kangana.
Yeah, it was Ashwini Iyer Tiwari, if I'm not wrong, right?
हाँ, Ashwini Iyer
Ashwini.
Tiwari. She directed that movie as well. Good
I
movie.
wanted to watch that.
Okay, I mean, I think you can still watch it on Hotstar. But it's a good movie. मतलब कि ऐसा वो super intense भी नहीं है और ऐसा super ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अरे बहुत ही अच्छा है या बहुत ही खराब नहीं है. Okay. Good movie.
Watchable.
हाँ.
So yeah, three Khans. We were talking actually about the Khans. I think yeah, that's what we said. Like Salman needs to
Yeah.
completely stop.
Yeah,
Shahrukh,
please.
I don't know, 50-50 chance. Amir can work.
Yeah, अभी तो शाहरुख की daughter is also I think planning to come into the industry, right?
Please don't.
Yeah, you didn't know about it. She made a short film that was like everybody was talking about it for a bit.
I didn't
And
watch it. No, I don't know.
I didn't either, but I have heard a lot about it. And there are chances that she might want to come. Even what is the name again? Shania Kapoor. She's some cousin of Sonam Kapoor or something. So
Okay.
she's also planning to make an entry in the next 2 years or something. So
Okay.
that.
See.
Oh, good. I have a question for you.
Okay.
Who are your favorite actors slash actresses?
Favorite? I can't say a single name. But to be honest, like I can name 5 if you want. Can I name 5?
Yes, you can.
Shahrukh. Even though मैं कितना भी बोलूँ ये वैसा है, but Shahrukh is Shahrukh.
Okay.
There is Ranbir. I liked Irfan. I
Yeah.
still do. Then I think I don't know. Amir is good.
Yeah.
Mainstream actors only mostly, and even Nawaz is great. Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Okay.
Actors and actresses Deepika, like even not just her acting but her overall career, the way she has driven it.
Mm-hmm.
I like actresses. The thing is, I don't think Bollywood is tapping much into the 100% potential of actresses, to be honest.
Agreed.
But, Deepika, all are mainstream mostly. Deepika is good. Alia is good.
Mm.
Then Nimrat Kaur. I like Nimrat Kaur for some reason.
Very underrated.
Yeah,
Good.
I
But
like
she's
Nimrat
good.
Kaur. Anushka. Okay, meh.
Mm.
I don't know. Kinda.
Okay.
That I think I can't even like say 5 names. I think Bollywood
But it's
needs
okay.
to
That's
more.
नहीं but ठीक
Can
है उतना
you
जितना बोला वो
say?
बहुत है. Okay. For me, favorite actresses से चालू करेंगे. I would say number one, like I hate this full ranking system and all that shit because
Okay.
I tell you मैं मेरा दिमाग सिर्फ I think 80% बॉलीवुड में और 20% बाकी दुनिया में. So बहुत कचरा भरा हुआ है basically.
Understandable.
So yeah, and it's like
Man, I
I
also
think
like Kalki. I like Kalki.
हाँ कल की oh my god she's again
Yeah.
very
And even
underrated.
Radhika Apte.
Yeah, Radhika Apte. Who doesn't love Radhika Apte?
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on.
Yes, true.
Yeah,
Too
so
good.
I'm going to continue now. I would
Yeah,
say
okay.
Priyanka Chopra because I think what she has done entirely, she's a great actress, and what she has done, like, I think a lot of people also watch Shade. People give her a lot of shade, but I think
Yeah.
ठीक है यार कुछ तो कर रही है ना. And if you see
Mhm.
so many chat shows में जाके लोग ऐसा even like a lot of foreign chat shows में जाते हैं तो people just throw shade on her like oh तू तो इतने छोटे जगह से आती है and this and that.
Boy. Uh-huh. But see, the
So,
thing is, there is
hmm.
this whole mystery around Priyanka leaving Bollywood when she was at her peak. Like she left when Bajirao released, right? And
Yeah.
around that time, right?
No, I think
Or
she
she
left
came.
during. No, no, no. She came back for Bajira, but
Okay.
for a lot of movies, मतलब she was in a slump. To be honest, उसका बहुत controversy है, which I would not want to
Uh,
get into as of now.
yeah, there was this
But
thing that she was getting sidelined, and
yeah,
that's why she
वाला
moved.
concept है.
But she's again mediocre there. She's not that big.
There, I know she's mediocre, but I think she's still working towards getting it, मतलब getting good
Yeah.
work there.
Hmm.
But I think I like how, basically, I have you seen Sky is Pink?
Yes. Good
I think
movie.
there's this one
Decent
scene now
movie.
where they have lost again spoiler alert guys, when they have lost their daughter, which was not really
Yeah.
a spoiler alert, but okay, they have lost their daughter, and then
आधे लोग ने देखा नहीं रहेगा चलेगा.
तो वो ऐसा एक वॉशरूम का सीन रहता है where she walks off from the dinner table because the lady is being so एकदम ऐसा
Yeah.
insensitive हो रही है, and then she goes like
हाँ.
कि what am I supposed to do with my life now? And that scene is mind blowing. मैं तो अभी बोल रही थी कि उसको ऑस्कर दो यार, सच्ची, it was amazing.
Yeah, that bathroom scene, right?
हाँ, right, amazing.
That was
And
a good scene.
I think so overall, and she's also pretty badass in general. So I'm like, usko to number one.
Hmm.
Um, then there's Deepika Alia because both of
Okay.
them for the
We don't need to elaborate on that, I think.
yeah yeah
It's
uh,
self-explanatory.
yeah. I think actresses में उतने ही है currently.
Yeah.
But if we talk about actors, it has to be number one OG fan since I don't know how long.
Uh,
Ranbir Kapoor, to the point
yes.
where Instagram पे even though I'm a private profile, birthdays पे story share होती है.
Okay.
So intense. And मेरा वो पूरा even the Besharam phase also happened where I watched Besharam
Yeah.
and I was a total fangirl and being like, अरे क्या सही acting किया है भाई ने, मतलब वाह
Man,
वाह वाह.
कीचड़ था.
I know, right? Now that I think of
Yeah.
it, I'm just like, this is so cringe. Why did I? To
Yeah.
the end,
Like,
I
do you
had a
know that
literal. हाँ,
Ranveer sometime I think he's in some interview he said that he has a fake social media handle where he like follows every actor and checks everything.
I think it was AIB. But the thing is
I
कि
don't know if
मैं
it's true, but I think he said
I
that.
tried researching, couldn't find anything.
No,
So
it
okay,
would be
I'm
quite
telling
a
you,
task.
I'm crazy woman, and I there was a point in time where I made a freaking biodata about Ranveer's life, like कहाँ से कहाँ,
Do you
मतलब
still
when he
have
was
it?
born, where, what he studied, what is his weight, height, phone number, calling that phone number, it was
Did
bad.
anyone pick up?
No, and it was like it was wrong number sort of thing. But ठीक है, मतलब so I have had my whole
Do you
phase.
still have that biodata?
I don't know, शायद होगा. I'll have to
If
look it
you
up.
if you still have it, I'll link it down.
Oh God. Okay, so ये
If
cringe
you
होते
send me
जाएगा धीरे धीरे, but
if you send me the
so
link.
yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
And I think so that was, and I'm still मतलब थोड़ा craziness कम हो गया with age, but still there's craziness. And I would say the I think number two would be Hrithik Roshan and Farhan Akhtar both at the same level because
Ah man, I miss Farhan. I like not just because he's not just a favorite actor, but overall as an artist, he's a good
yeah
artist.
yeah. And the thing with him is like उसका वो पूरा there was this one I think EIC का roast
Yeah,
interview
man, it was too good. I watched that. I watched that
and
one.
this guy goes like कि आपकी आवाज में कुछ भी अच्छा लगेगा and उससे पूरे एकदम एकदम some item
Like,
number के songs गवा रहे हैं and
and
वो सुनने को अच्छा लग रहा है to the point where I'm just like yeah ये सही बोल रहे हैं मतलब
hey, Dontry कब आ रहा है? That was a good
yeah,
show. Guys, watch that interview. I'll link it down.
that's really
Watch
funny.
it. Yeah.
Even this interview with Saif Ali Khan with EIC again. where उसका I think जवानी जानेमन he was trying to promote, and then उसके
Yeah.
बारे में he's like कि मैं कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा पी लिया तो मैं एकदम सिल्वर सीडी खाने लग गया and all of that. It was so weird, but it's
Yeah.
hilarious. So
Mhm.
that's it. But I think those are number two, and
And
then and Ranveer Singh, he's trying to go in that versatile रणबीर कपूर फेस की मतलब सब ट्राई करते हैं कुछ कुछ.
yeah,
बट आई एम आफ्टर अ पॉइंट मैं उसको देख के थक जाती हूँ कि हम कि
he's
कितना कितना
too over the top. I
कितना
feel he's
एक्साइट
too. Yeah.
या मतलब आफ्टर पॉइंट ऐसा लगता है कि कभी तो थकता होगा ना. मतलब क्या
Mhm.
क्या 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 मारता है तू. मतलब आई वांट टू नो.
Mostly Manila Cream. I don't know.
आई डोंट नो बट
Anyway, but like he is a good artist, but roles भी वैसा लेना चाहिए. Like वो सिम्बा जैसे चीजें ही करते रहेगा तो नहीं आगे बढ़ सकते. Gully Boy, as just looking into his acting, it was good.
yeah, Gully Boy. If you're talking about Gully Boy and if you don't talk about Siddhant Chaturvedi, you're missing out.
Okay, yeah, I think okay, I'll be honest here. I think he's hyped too much. जो लोग इसको hype कर रहे हैं ना, they haven't even watched Inside Edge season 1. Have you
Inside Out
watched
was
it?
good. I have watched
Only the
bits of it.
first season was too good. Second season वो लोग ने हक दिया. But
Second season मैंने नहीं देखा. First one I have watched in bits,
like
but
Siddhant Chaturvedi, like he has this arc where he's coming from a small village town and
हाँ.
he's like suppose you are a you're from a very small village but you're a talented cricketer and suddenly you get signed by Mumbai Indians. That's what happens with him in the movie
Right.
and well, like in the series, and there's this whole arc of how he's trying to fit in, and he's even like facing kind of religious discrimination from his teammate and sort of things. So Gully Boy से भी बहुत अच्छा performance है इसमें, and again like let's wait and see what he does.
Yeah, but I think Gully Boy में he got the swag on
Yeah,
point. You know वो जो
like
Divine and Nazy का जो
रणवीर
swag
से
है.
ज्यादा he was standing out.
हाँ, clearly सब लोग वही बोल रहे that movie was about Siddhant Chaturvedi and the Ranveer
There,
Singh
there
side
was
character था.
there was this rumor that they're planning a standalone
Oh,
with him.
okay, interesting.
So yeah. Yeah, and any other favorites?
नहीं, favorite इतने ही है फिलहाल. There was this one guy that I found promising earlier. Oh, also Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah,
How can we
man,
not talk
gem.
about
He's
him?
a gem.
Amazing actor.
Yeah, see,
Especially like
that's the thing, na. You can't name just two or five, maybe. If you
हाँ,
like keep saying names, there will be the list will be endless.
true.
Hollywood
And
has
there are so
enough
many
talent.
actors we are just like कि वो industry में है ना बस काफी है. मतलब
Yeah,
कि I'm cool with you, but I'm not like कि तू मेरा favorite है sort of thing.
nothing much like even Rajkumar Rao now. You don't watch any of his movie. Go to his Instagram profile. He had done this Gulabo Sitabo tongue twister challenge. Okay,
हाँ.
did you see that one?
No, I
Okay,
haven't.
so they had given a tongue twister to many celebrities and they were posting videos, right? They were repeating it. And what Rajkumar Rao did was uh, he repeated the sentence for like five times he repeated it, and each sentence was in a different emotion, like angry, sad, happy, tensed.
That
ऐसा.
is so cool.
Yeah, and he did that 10 times, so each emotion was repeated twice. Man, it was like too good. He's reciting a tongue twister and he is portraying these emotions. Like just go watch it. It's a good video.
Okay, I'll go watch it.
Yeah.
But I think that, and also, the thing is, I really like Kartik Aaryan in Sonu Ki Tittu and that Panchnama series.
Yeah.
But otherwise, वो अभी इतना irritating हो गया ना, to the point where he's
Lockdown
just
में,
trying to be
especially
someone
lockdown में.
else. Oh God, please वो
Unfollow मार दिया मैंने.
मैं literally हर रोज on the verge of आती हूँ, but फिर वक्त कुछ छोड़ जाने दे. थोड़े
Fair
दिन
of course.
और एक chance दे देते हैं. But
I don't think. Anyway,
horrible.
like, I have this question for you. Like, there is this whole right now, I think the next three Khans possibly can be Ayushman, Vicky Kaushal, and Ranveer Singh. What do you think?
I don't think Vicky Kaushal will. मतलब he's like he's a good actor, but I don't see him being like on the very top. I think on the very top, if you see, आई डोंट थिंक, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जो थ्री खान्स वाला वो जो कल्चर है ना कि दे रूल द
Maybe that will
इंडस्ट्री,
stop.
that will stop because I think everybody is coming out with such great content almost every month कि to the point where it's just like कि ऐसा कोई एक बंदा नहीं राइज करने वाला है, सब एक साथ राइज करेंगे टू द पॉइंट कि आप द ऑडियंस विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि किसको
हाँ,
कौन अच्छा है, यू नो।
पहले पहले थोड़ा और स्ट्रीमलाइंड होता था ना. Now like anyone with a OnePlus or iPhone can also make a short film. So
एग्जैक्टली।
that's the thing. Like कोई भी आज आज तू कोई नहीं है, कल तू बहुत पूरा देश तेज जानेगा, ऐसा भी
हाँ
हो सकता है.
हाँ, राइट राइट राइट।
Like like this is maybe a crazy example, but Priya Prakash, like even
ओ
though
माय
she,
गॉड, या।
like think about the whole thing now, how that
हम्म।
happened.
Oh, by the way, congratulations on the new iPhone.
Man,
iPhone 7.
I am not using it because
Okay.
it was a gift actually, and I explained it to you. I think I don't want to say this on the podcast again.
Okay. Cool, 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 cool.
Fuck iPhones. I don't like.
Okay.
Moving
Um,
on, we
yeah.
can talk about some memorable performances. We can list out our personal favorites. Which
Rockstar,
okay,
Ranbir
same.
Kapoor,
Hmm.
amazing.
But I feel
Uh,
somehow the script was a bit boring.
मतलब जो फीमेल प्रोटोगनिस्ट थी शी वाज
Yeah,
हॉरिबल, मतलब क्या
the
रोल था उसका, वो सिर्फ
like
रो रही थी और चिल्ला रही थी पूरी मूवी में,
I think
द पॉइंट दैट इज द
Imtiaz
ओनली
Ali
अनोइंग
realized,
पार्ट।
yeah, Imtiaz Ali realized that इससे एक्टिंग नहीं होने वाला है, इसको शांत रखता हूँ पूरा मूवी. Like maybe that was the plan. I don't know.
बट रॉकस्टार में आई रियली एंजॉयड द सीन, द एंड का। आई डोंट थिंक, आई थिंक इट्स इन नादान परिंदे के एंड में देयर इज दिस वन सीन वेयर बस दिखा था ना कि शी हैज पास्ड अवे, स्पॉइलर अलर्ट गाइस।
Sorry, too late.
हाँ, आई
You shouldn't have listened to this podcast only.
बट लाइक वो एंड में जो ऐसे दिखाते हैं कि शी इज बैक फ्रॉम
She
द
comes
डेड
on the
एंड
stage, na.
हाँ हाँ, एंड उसके ऊपर से बाल उड़ रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग। वो सीन में आई थिंक दैट वाज अ गुड सीन, दैट द ओनली सीन वेयर आई वुड वॉच द फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट, बाकी टाइम वो कुछ भी कर रही थी। एंड
But again, that's aesthetics, ना. उसने कुछ नहीं किया उसमें.
हाँ, ओके।
I don't think. Even like if you watch Madras Cafe, उसने कुछ इतना खास एक्टिंग नहीं किया.
हाँ,
She's just there. Things
साइड
are
पीस
happening.
जैसा।
Yeah. और
You know, and also Kun Faya Kun, Ranbir Kapoor का acting, it's a song, but the video में his acting is
yeah.
amazing.
It's everything. Even the music. It's like Sufi for the first 1/4 part of the song, and suddenly then Mohit Chauhan comes in, and it's just too good. Like
मेरे को तो ऐसा
such
लगता है मोहित चौहान एंड रणबीर कपूर की जोड़ी यार अमेजिंग, मतलब
it's
हाँ
very.
हाँ, जब साथ में काम करो तो बस मचा ही देंगे दोनों, लाइक
Like
इवन इफ यू
suddenly
सी।
like for even like A.R. Rahman's brilliance you can see in that, like for
हाँ,
till
अग्रीड।
like this point it's just Sufi instruments and all that, and suddenly there's this guitar and like Sajira Savera, that whole thing is
हाँ, वही वही सच्ची। एंड इवन इफ यू सी तमाशा में रणबीर
yeah,
कपूर एक्टिंग,
Tamasha, man. That time I
आई
think the movie didn't work because तब भी उतना mental health awareness वो सब चल नहीं रहा था.
हाँ,
अब भी रहता तो काफी चल जाता वो मूवी.
एंड
And I
सब
don't
लोग
know
इतना
why.
उसको ऐसा शेड फेंकते ना उस पे कि अरे
I don't know
इतना
why
क्या था।
people are like I can't watch this movie. Like it's watchable. It's not that bad.
या एंड उसमें आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ द एक्टर्स, इवन दीपिका डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब।
Yeah. There's this scene now where she we'll never meet again. She goes to kiss him in the room,
हाँ हाँ
and then
हाँ
she leaves in the taxi, and she cries.
हाँ
That's a
हाँ हाँ,
great scene.
ग्रेट सीन। ओ एंड ऑल्सो द बोला ना कि उसको एक वो सिंबल दिखता है ना, सो शी इज लाइक शी, उसको पता है कि वो एक लाइब्रेरी का बुक पढ़ता है, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट। तो
Yeah.
शी इज ड्राइविंग, शी इज इन अ टैक्सी आई थिंक, एंड शी इज इन दिल्ली एंड शी सीज दैट लोग, और उसके फेस पे एक स्लाइड वैसा वो हंसी एंड यू नो दैट वो
Like yeah, I
एक्साइटमेंट
found
बट
something.
कीपिंग इट कूल वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन था ना, वो
Uh,
अमेजिंग है, अमेजिंग।
yeah.
एंड ऑल्सो लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दीपिका पादुकोण इन कॉकटेल।
Cocktail. Yeah, before going on to Cocktail, I want to just give a small fact
Okay.
about the song ये अगर तुम साथ हो.
हाँ.
In that, it is said that if you listen closely to the song with headphones and high volume, you will realize that Arjit का दो vocals है उसमें.
हाँ, I know about that.
One is a flat one and one is on a high note.
हाँ.
And it is said that I've posted this on my story like 10 times maybe, but I'll say this again. It is because they Ved is bipolar in the movie. He has two this now. He's either too calm, he's
हाँ.
too out there. So that's why there are two vocals of Arijit.
Damn, I didn't know about
Yes,
that. That's
yes.
wow.
A.R. Rahman brilliance in the chat.
Yes. A.R. Rahman OP.
OP in the chat. I don't even have enough audience to say come and say OP. Maybe someday.
Yeah. But like back to the topic, Deepika Padukone in Cocktail. Mind blowing.
I haven't watched Cocktail.
Dude, अभी जा. I'm not sure if it's I'm definitely sure if Prime पे नहीं तो Netflix पे कहीं तो होगा. देखो.
मी अजदानिया का है ना.
हाँ, देखो. Amazing. मतलब स्टोरी लाइन इतना ग्रेट नहीं है, but otherwise I think that is the movie that changed Deepika's career entirely. People started taking her seriously after that movie. And guess what?
Yeah.
She didn't even win a single award for that movie. And उसको मिलता रामलीला के लिए award.
Leela, I don't know. It was okay.
Ramleela was
Frankly,
I didn't like it at all.
Frankly, I don't like Bansali's Ranveer Singh phase.
हाँ, एग्जैक्ट. वो मेरे को भी नहीं पसंद क्योंकि वो आधी तो अंधेरी मूवी बनाता है.
वो तीन में but yeah, those three movies did like phenomenal job for Ranveer, but
yeah,
like as movies I don't know. Padmavat में भी again Ranveer Singh is just too good.
हाँ, he's acting amazing. मतलब उसको देख के मेरे को डर लग रहा है उससे. मतलब तो
I didn't leave the theater because I wanted to see the climax. 3 घंटे का मूवी था नहीं तो.
You know what? I also have this one complaint with historical movies is that वो लोग बहुत चेंज कर देते हैं स्टोरी just because ऐसा देखने को ऐसा मत लगेगा. हाँ, मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता है चीजों से कि जो है वो दिखाओ ना. Like if you see a lot of these Marathi movies when they talk about these freedom fighters or historical leaders and people, उनकी story are very apt. मतलब कि ऐसा है, मतलब ऐसा ही है, ऐसा कुछ ऐसा घुमा के मसाला वसाला नहीं डालते हैं.
Yeah, there is this creative freedom thing ना which they use, but again.
I know, but मतलब मैं
हमारे खा रहा है वो भी है.
हाँ, उसमें तो आई थिंक हर मूवी के ऐसा बंसाली एक मूवी बनाता है और लोग ऐसा उसको हेट वाला बहुत मिलता है.
Some religious group who is ready to fuck it.
हाँ, रिलीजियस ग्रुप किसी को तो बुरा लग जाता है. फिर सब वो आई थिंक बीच में बाजीराव मस्तानी के टाइम पे या पद्मावत, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, व्हेन पीपल आर लाइक कि हम लोग सर काट देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे.
या पद्मावत. बाजीराव के टाइम it was how can you show बाजीराव dancing? That was the whole argument.
Well, okay.
Yeah,
क्या बोल सकते हैं अभी?
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, again like.
What about you? Memorable performances.
Feel memorable as such. Irfan Khan in Maqbool.
हाँ.
Then Saif in Omkara.
ओहो. बढ़िया चॉइस. मैं तो भूल ही गई थी इसके बारे में.
Yeah, like think about Saif during that time. Like, can you really imagine taking him from Kal Ho Na Ho, that chocolate boy, and turning him into this, where he's cussing and all that stuff? Like, it's again Vishal Bharadwaj, great director.
Yeah, agreed.
Memorable performances as such. से सोचेंगे तो काफी है. I think we should, rather than thinking, we should move on towards something different. What do you think? Like, let's talk about comedies and slapstick comedies. What do you think about it? Like slapsticks specifically. Like
Golmaal and
Houseful.
Yeah, I think ठीक है यार. मतलब some people enjoy it. I watch it for cringe comedy. मतलब वो भी घर पे, not like theater में जाके मैं पैसे नहीं दूंगी. बट
Cringe,
घर
if
पे ऐसा
handled well, can be even like you can laugh at cringe. No, even ironically, if you do it well. Like
हाँ
I'll give you a classic example. Will be Dhamal.
अरे हाँ धमाल
Dhamal is a good movie, right? It's like
या
it's there are so many cringy moments. Like even that plane scene and all is so bad, but it's
हाँ अरे
it's so bad that it's
hilarious
good, right?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मेरे को बट
But
इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लाइक द हाउसफुल सीरीज इन स्पेसिफिक आई
I
वुड से
haven't watched any. I haven't watched any of those movies. I watched one, maybe thoda thoda, uh, but I it never really caught my attention. I don't
बट यू डूइंग मतलब यू आर लिविंग अ गुड लाइफ इज ऑल आई एम टेलिंग यू द
know.
थिंग विद मी इज लाइक ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा घर पे बैठे हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स आर लाइक कि कुछ ऐसा ना इंटेंस नहीं देखने का है पर कुछ ऐसा
हल्का
फालतू का ऐसा वो रोम कॉम भी नहीं देखने का है तो कुछ ऐसा हल्का फुल्का चाहिए तो तभी हमारे घर पे ऐसा हाउसफुल टाइप मूवीज लगती हैं एंड मेरे को लगता है वो सारी मूवीज ना अक्षय कुमार अपने पीठ पे लेके घूम रहा है बिकॉज
yeah, Akshay Kumar carries it because see,
बिकॉज ही हाँ
Akshay Kumar is a genius actually. If you
हाँ
look at his
बिल्कुल
career, if you look at his career,
हम्म हम्म
like I think we can divide it into three parts. The first part was his
हम्म,
action hero phase when he just entered,
हाँ
because that's how he
हम्म
entered. He knew martial
yes
arts and he was a model, right?
हाँ
So that happened. Then Hera Fairy came,
हाँ अरे
and like Priyadarshan took his career and shook it literally.
हाँ अग्रीड
Because like overnight he was getting comedy movies, and like that was one phase. I must say, like Priyadarshan contributed a lot to that phase.
इवन भूल भुलैया was
Yeah,
Priyadarshan if I'm not wrong.
Bhool Bhulaiya actually was a remake.
I know I watched the OG also.
Which one?
I think it was a Malayalam film.
Yeah,
Uh,
the name is Manichitra Tare. Guys, if you haven't watched the Malayalam one, please subtitles. I think Hotstar pe hai, dekh lo. Like uh, compared to Bhool Bhulaiya, the comedy isn't that over the top. It's
yeah,
there, but like it's just brilliant mixing horror and comedy. Nobody thought that back then.
yeah. But
Yeah,
I
and Bhool
think
Bhulaiya.
उसमें the horror is
Although
horrible है मतलब बहुत डर
yeah,
लगता है मैं बता रही
horror is serious horror, and
हूँ
the actress Shobana who played the Malayalam version ka Bhoot, she got the national award.
हाँ amazing.
That's that. And like seriously, I think regional cinema needs to be out there more. Now that OTT platforms and all are there,
Hmm.
maybe yeah. Like frankly, being a Malayali, the only reason I have watched Malayalam films is because I am a Malayali, and that is the only reason why I know how good the movies down there are. And you should like,
Hmm.
I think frankly, we all should watch more regional cinema.
Agree.
Because the stereotype set in our mind is that dubbed movies aate na set max pe. That is the stereotype, but the reality is very different. If you come down, there are great
Hmm.
directors and great content creators. That's there. So yeah,
Hmm.
Akshay Kumar. I was talking about Akshay Kumar. Yeah, and the
Yeah,
second phase was the comedy phase.
yeah.
His third phase was now abhi ka jo Desh Bhakti and awareness.
Social. हाँ
Yeah, so he knows how to turn his career when things are getting too over the top.
हाँ मतलब ये होता है ना कि when he's almost on the verge of being typecasted like he's doing बहुत social films तो बीच में वो ऐसा एक हाउसफुल जैसा कुछ घुसाएगा कि ऐसे थोड़ा मिक्स हो जाएगा अभी आई थिंक देयर इज दिस वन मूवी अभी आ रहा है where he's playing a female ghost
Yeah,
with
that's
भूमि
again a remake,
पेडनेकर
I think.
ओ तो उसका मेरे को
Not
ओजी बता दे तो मैं वो देखूं पहले
OG, even it's a Tamil movie. Again, that was a commercial movie. That wasn't a great movie as such. तो dub होके आता है, you
अच्छा
can watch it on Setmax, Kanchana बोल के.
अच्छा ओके
It is, I think, a 2 or 3 part movie. They have just took all the like good parts from all three and made it into a single movie, something like that. I don't know, not very excited for that. Frankly, I think now Akshay Kumar, again, I don't like him that much. He's a good performer, but somehow I don't know.
Have you watched this movie called Sing is King with Akshay Kumar?
Yes. उसके बाद उसका फराह खान के साथ लड़ाई हो गया था ना because the movie failed.
वो जोकर था भाई क्या बात कर रहा है
हाँ क्या जोकर नहीं जोकर वो शिरीष
हाँ
कुंदर ना.
शिरीष कुंदर इज फराह खान का हस्बैंड
Yeah, I know, but Then why did he fight Farah Khan?
अरे कुछ तो था, मनी का इशू था, ऐसे कुछ तो था.
Man,
But no, wait, I think it was something about कि Farah Khan convinced him to do the film and then he was like
so,
कि
and it tanked, so it was on her.
हाँ हाँ Joker and I think और तीसमार खान was his learning stone or something. I don't know.
Yeah, Tismar Khan. Those not great movies.
Horrible.
That's when he realized like now I gotta stop.
हाँ.
But again, he was doing Priyadarshan movies. Khatta Meeta, वो सब वही time पे आया था, I
Oh,
think.
seen that movie. Intense.
Gets dark.
Very dark. But I think that's the thing. Like ऐसा कुछ movies ना जिसमें बहुत उसका I think अक्षय कुमार का comic timing is amazing. मतलब
Yeah. Like, have you
even
seen
like
there is I always discuss this with my friends. There is this one scene in Fir Hera Fairy. Have you watched it?
yeah.
Not a
थोड़ा
great
time
movie.
हो गया so I might not remember everything.
उसका climax वगैरह बहुत गंदा है. But there's the scene where like he's like that and he's like
Yeah.
तू मेरा कल कर रहा है क्या? So बाबू ने कहा, नहीं
हाँ.
मैं तो उतला है, मेरा बाप भी उतला है. हम लोग गाना गाते थे.
अच्छा that
So in
hilarious.
the scene, he starts singing like गाता लहे मेला दिल, and then there is तू ही मेरी मंजिल, right? That is the lyrics,
हाँ
but he puts
हाँ.
Marathi in it. So तू ही माझी. So he says माझी, but Akshay Kumar in the side says मेरी आधा. Like वो बोलता है मेरी, फिर he quickly changes to माझी. So like that timing, if we explain it, we are actually butchering it. If you watch that scene, like
Yeah.
you can see him like improvising, like
There was this another movie. I am not sure. I think it was called Bhagam Bhag or something.
Bhagam
With
Bhag is like, again, it's a mixture of 2 to 3 Malayalam movies.
really, I didn't know about that.
Yeah,
अरे वो
the plot.
the one with Lara Datta. I think that's what that's one. If
Yeah,
I'm not
she's
wrong.
a ghost.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
हाँ.
like 2 plots. I think 2 or 3 plots of three different Malayalam movies were taken.
अच्छा. But
Man,
that was
not
also like
great.
a fun movie. I mean, I thought.
देख सकते हैं बैठ के. Yeah, that's the like
But
common factor in Priyadarshan movies. End में बड़ा commotion रहेगा. People would be running around. That's the normal.
मतलब even in that I really like this one scene in Bulbulaya when उसका ये रहता है ना कि he's trying to find out who Manjalika is. Okay, again sorry guys
Yeah.
to all the Malayali fans out there. I am talking about Bulbulaya because that's the only मतलब मैंने बहुत पहले देखा था मलयालम वर्जन तो मेरे को याद नहीं है अभी. So there's this one scene ना जब he's trying to find Manjalika and then this one guy who's wanting to
Yeah,
go
he's
pee
listening.
and then he's like तू घुंघरू पहनेगा तू छन 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 करेगा something of that sort. Oh my god, that was so funny. Oh god.
Yeah. So yeah, that was Akshay Kumar career analysis.
Yes. Oh, I have a good question for you. Okay. So if you could have a meal with your favorite fictional character from any movie, any genre, from any region, who would it be and what meal would you share?
I think Vada Pav with Munna Bhai.
Good
Nahi.
choice. Good choice. नहीं?
There is this dialogue now, uska like nahi.
हाँ.
He would probably be like nahi. What about you?
Okay. I don't know. Probably,
Yeah.
the thing is, I'm very basic, so I don't know. Probably, I think Konkana Sen from Big Up said, I don't know what her name was in that. I think
Wow, she
Aisha.
was so cute in that movie, man.
हाँ, मतलब she was like this really एकदम ऐसा simple लड़की, but उसके साथ तू ऐसा बैठ के ना बहुत conversation ऐसा मस्त कर सकता है.
Again, that's a good movie. Like,
Yeah,
बच्चों को
देखा.
देखना चाहिए वो movie, I feel.
तू बहन को दिखा. You were like
Probably. Like, I think there is like kids can learn responsibility and all that shit. Like how privileged
जैसे
they are.
तू बहुत बड़ा हो गया
It
जैसे
is-
मतलब देखना.
like, but it really like shows ki privilege ka there is this thing na like Ranbir and Konkona are very different. Like she is well
Yeah,
privileged, she has come, but he on the other hand is like totally different. So
yeah.
that's a good.
But I also like उसमें जो relationship वो लोग दिखाते हैं and they're just very
Yeah,
simple people. Like you know जब वो उसके boss ना उसको बोलता है कि like Konkana's boss tells her कि let's go to this jazz concert and this and that and she goes and फिर उसको इतना ऐसा अजीब सा लगता है ऐसा left out and she goes like मेरे को ना एक्चुअली पसंद नहीं है मैं काफी
पसंद नहीं
बेसिक हूँ
है.
हाँ और
Yeah,
बोलती है
yeah.
मैं काफी बेसिक हूँ मेरे को ऐसा ओल्ड बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स गाने को अच्छा लगता है
हाँ.
कट टू नेक्स्ट सीन वो रणबीर कपूर के साथ में शी गोज टू दिस कैरियोके बार काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग और वो लोग
Yeah.
ऐसा पुराने सॉन्ग्स गा रहे हैं तो मेरे को ना
Yeah.
ये सब जो आई थिंक तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इफ आई हैव टू शेयर अ मील विथ हर आई वुड प्रोबेबली हैव लाइक अ कप ऑफ चाय विथ हर एंड जस्ट टॉक मतलब ऐसा रैंट भी करना रहेगा ना वैसा शी विल बी लाइक वन पर्सन हु विल बी वेरी काम एंड बी लाइक हाँ बोल बता क्या हुआ सॉर्ट ऑफ
Yeah.
थिंग तो
This podcast has been quite free flowing comparatively, because usually I do happen to have a structure, but this one has been different. That's nice.
मोइन ऐसा किधर भी आ रहा है
Time
ऐसा डाइग्रेशन पे डाइग्रेशन
timestamps डालने को मुश्किल पड़ेगा, मेरा कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ मैं भी वही सोच रही थी टाइम स्टैम्प डालेगा कैसे क्योंकि सब ऐसा एक कॉन्वर्सेशन के अंदर से तीसरा कॉन्वर्सेशन निकल रहा है
The thing I was talking about Akshay Kumar and suddenly I started talking about Malayalam Bhool Bhulaiya. What do you think about 90s movies?
एक तो पहले हम 2000s के बच्चे ठीक है तो ज्यादा हमने 90s देखी नहीं है पर थोड़ी बहुत जो देखी है उसमें ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि करीना कपूर को किसी ने बताया नहीं कि उसको एक्टिंग नहीं आ रही है
Man, I still
लाइक
feel she is too overrated.
मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट ओके ये बहुत ऐसा शैटर होने वाले लोगों के हैं पीपल आर गोइंग टू कम एट मी बट Pooh was very annoying. Like
Yeah.
I was like कि थोड़ा चिल मार मतलब जस्ट थोड़ा नॉर्मल हो सकती है ना तो मजा ही आ जाएगा मतलब शी इज सो इरिटेटिंग
The
Pooh
typical
and even
Karan
like
Johar
उसका जो
movie
ऐसा
character.
हाँ नहीं बट इवन इन इफ यू सी उसका इंटरव्यूज में भी ना शी इज लाइक वेरी कि उसने अच्छी खासी मूवीज को नहीं बोल दिया बिकॉज शी इज लाइक कि मेरे को पैसा नहीं मिलेगा ज्यादा शी सेड नो टू कल हो ना हो
I don't like her. I don't know, like, I don't hate her,
हाँ
but I feel she's a good artist as such.
आई डोंट नो बट मेरे को उसका ना एंड दैट्स थिंग उसकी जो मूवीज भी सारी थी ना गॉड सारी मूवीज थी वर ऑल अबाउट लाइक कि अरे लुक एट मी आई एम दिस फ्रॉम लाइक अ गुड फैमिली गर्ल हु इज लाइक वेरी झल्ली काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग तो उसका एक ही रोल था हर जगह एंड वो हर जगह ऐसे चिल्ला चिल्ला के सुपर जैसा एक्ट कर रही है एंड देन एवरीबॉडी इज सपोज्ड टू बी लाइक अरे कितनी क्यूट है ये मैं लिटरली ऐसा आई सी सम ऑफ हर मूवीज एंड आई एम लाइक even her sister to be honest like if you see a lot of
She
her
is the
movies
true 90s person actually, because if you look into it, Kareena debuted in 2000.
oh my bad
Yeah.
well because again I think हम मेरे को लोग माफ कर सकते हैं because we were not born in the 90s so I think it's okay
Yeah.
but
But
I
actually,
think
the album
hmm,
of her first movie was Refugee, I think, and the album released in '99, I think. So
okay we're good here
yeah,
but I think 90s heroines में number one would have been Ravina Tandon dude Ravina
Raveena
Tandon was
Tandon, yeah, yes, and Shilpa
amazing
Shetty, Akshay Tritiya. They call them Akshay Tritiya for some reason. Raveena Tandon, Shilpa Shetty, and then there's his wife Twinkle Khanna. Man,
ट्विंकल खन्ना का मूवीज तो क्या क्या है भाई like she
she quit
feels
because her movies weren't working.
yeah but she feels so uncomfortable in those movies मतलब उसको ऐसा even songs भी
Era.
देखेगा ना हाँ she's just always very uncomfortable with everything
या तुक्के में एक दो आ गया, लाइक इवन अंडे का फंडा, लाइक कुछ आ
हाँ हाँ and I think Govinda because
या ऑफ कोर्स.
गोविंदा की मूवीज हम लोग अर्ली 2000s की आई हैव सीन सो मेनी गोविंदा मूवीज बिकॉज आइकॉनिक
या ही इज लाइक रणवीर सिंह बेसिकली तब भी का.
नहीं but he was normal
Yeah.
Ranveer Singh is like he's high on something all the time
He did in movies what Ranveer Singh does in real life.
हाँ agreed but I think Govinda was so iconic. Like तूने वो
हाँ।
मूवी देखा है सैंडविच? क्या है
हाँ,
वो
उसके
मूवी?
दो दो बीवी है वैसे कुछ तो सीन था।
हाँ, एंड he's like वो ज्योतिषी के पास जाता है एंड ज्योतिषी इज लाइक कि तुम्हारी दोनों बीवियों में से कोई तो एक मरने वाली है
मैन।
एंड दिस एंड दैट. तो आई लव इवन ओ माय गॉड, ये अगेन नॉट 90s मूवी एग्जैक्टली. ओ गॉड तेरे को टाइम स्टैम्प लगाने में बहुत बैंड बजने वाला है.
एनीवे गो
तो
अहेड।
हैव यू सीन पार्टनर?
ऐसा वो 2000 का है यार पर।
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, ऐसे देखो टाइम स्टैम्प लगाने को बहुत
Yeah,
बैंड बजने वाला
but
है.
like epic Govinda revival.
हाँ.
But like 90s पार्टनर ठीक ठाक है, मुझे उतना खास नहीं लगता. डेविड धवन लाइक आई थिंक
नहीं बट उसमें जो उसका जो द होल थिंग अबाउट लाइकिंग द लाइक somebody who is way
आउट
way
ऑफ हिज
out of your
लीग.
league
या
and then he's like कि नहीं यार हम कुछ करेंगे so that जो उसका ये है ना, you know, that grit and that
हाँ,
determination, that is hilarious to watch.
इतनी खुशी.
हाँ.
Yeah,
एंड बस सलमान खान को जब देखो ऐसे चिपकता रहता है. सलमान खान इज लाइक
yeah.
भास्कर चिल
I
भास्कर.
love the songs of Partner.
हाँ.
सोने
Oh,
दिन
and the pump
मैं.
up the jam that
Yeah,
nobody knew
yeah.
about.
Pump up the jam. It's actually pump up the jam.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, 90s. Talking about 90s, I think Andaz Apna Apna.
Oh,
Salman
amazing.
Salman peaked there,
हाँ मैं वही बोल रही हूँ.
and
इसे
it took 3
हाँ
years for them to shoot that movie.
हाँ इसलिए उसका ऐसा हेयर डिफरेंस दिखता है ना आमिर खान
Yeah,
का ऐसा.
हाँ, like
एक में बाल लंबा है, एक में बाल ठीक
start
है,
में
फिर ऐसा है.
start में it's short and बीच में लंबा, बीच में छोटा, बीच में लंबा. That's the thing. Like
There's
बहुत ड्रामा था वो मूवी
हाँ.
में. The
Oh,
thing is that they introduced pop culture references like
हाँ.
Govinda ही है, जूही चावला ही है, all those things. And real even when there is this scene where that guy asks शोले देखा है क्या, so
हाँ.
सलमान says हाँ हाँ 10 बार देखा है, ऐसे कुछ तो बोलता है. So आमिर is like हाँ इसके बाप ने देखा है. So there's this whole thing. So like pop
That's
culture references वगैरह, it
हाँ.
was like पहले बार बॉलीवुड में ऐसा कुछ हो रहा. So basically that's
हम्म.
they say that's why it failed. Also उसका marketing भी ढंग से नहीं किया था, all those things.
क्या
But
कुछ भी था
yeah,
वो जाने
but
दो मतलब
after
क्या बोल
like
सकते.
television came, it gained like a cult fan base, we can say.
But like if you see those early, matlab, I'm not sure, but I think, I'm not sure if these guys do it or not. But pretentious movie reviews में when Kannan and
Yeah,
Biswa react to like this old 80s and 90s kind of films, तो उसमें I'm not
Gunda
sure
and
if
all
this is
that ना.
हाँ and this like 80s था. Oh 90s में the overly excited ऋतिक रोशन with क्या प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. Oh my god.
Man, that is again
Somebody.
2000s, come on.
Oh God. I don't think
Timestamps
we
are
should have
fucked up.
spoken about this because this is a bad idea.
That was a bad movie, so I don't think everyone is excited. We love our teachers, we love our students. What the fuck is going on?
Crazy movies. I think I'm not sure. Like, what are the 90s movie, dude?
90s ऐसे देखेंगे तो काफी अच्छे movies है, but we are not from that generation, so we probably haven't experienced. We can talk about Ayushman and even Akshay Kumar's script selection thing.
Let's talk about that.
This is what I feel.
Huh.
Ayushman works because his scripts work and the movie works. He is like देखेगा तो not that a great actor, but like he knows when, like measured performance है काफी, but like his scripts do wonders for him. What do you feel about it?
So in the beginning जब ऐसा आयुष्मान had just come into the industry ना, तो वो बीच में ना ऐसा बहुत उसके पहले उसका ना बहुत ऐसा पूरा स्टोरी था. And मतलब I have been following him since, मतलब not like fan, but I know what he has been up to from like this. I'm not sure तेरे को पता होगा कि नहीं. There was this show called Just Dance.
चैनल
उसमें ही
टीवी पे था क्या कि वी पे था?
it was not on V. I think it was on Colors or something. But
I know him from ये extra innings host करता था वो IPL के लिए
Oh, I
back
didn't know
in
about that.
2008 or 9 when IPL started.
अच्छा,
So that's
okay.
how I knew him. Like I knew he existed, but then Vicky Donor and everything happened.
Yeah, but the thing with Vicky Donor, I think he was the one who kind of brought the idea of कि अरे ये actor है, तू गा भी सकता है, नाच भी सकता है, अरे वाह.
But
Otherwise
Farhan
it was,
Akhtar was doing that again.
हाँ, but Farhan Akhtar I think came a year after Vicky Donor or something, before Vicky Donor, I'm not sure.
Oh, true.
Way before,
True
Luck
that.
by Chance ना,
Dil
way
Chahta Hai,
before.
he started by directed Dil Chahta Hai. Then he did
हाँ, but
like his
that time
career.
I, हाँ, career wise तो बरोबर, but like acting wise अगर हम उसे देख रहे हैं,
Acting luck by chance, singing in Rock On,
हाँ,
I think.
but I'm not sure. I think Luck by Chance उसके पहले आया था कि बाद में.
इसके
विक्की डोनर के पहले आया था कि बाद में.
the luck by chance was 2009, I think, and Vicky Donor
Okay,
10
it was 2012 if I'm not wrong.
10.
So, okay, yeah. So Farhan Akhtar was the first person who can sing and dance.
But
2012, yeah. Vicky Donor is 2012.
anyway, Vicky Donor is a good movie, decent movie.
Yeah, decent movie. But
Shujit
that's the
Sarkar.
thing. So, हाँ, तो back to the Ayushman conversation.
Yeah.
That's when I thought कि मतलब बंदे मतलब I kind of felt for him because उसका ऐसा पूरा story पता था and everything. तो I was like कि चल ठीक है यार, it's okay. But उसके बाद में now when he started doing movies like शुभ मंगल सावधान, then दादा सावधान आई, फिर वो all that उसकी वो social movie जो आने लगी ना, I think he does have an eye for good scripts, but उसका otherwise
Yes.
ऐसा acting some
Like
movies में I
Bala
would say is
also.
good.
Bala wasn't that great.
हाँ, बाला was okay,
It's a
but
mediocre movie. I
I felt
felt
like
like,
हाँ
but
बोल बोल.
if like अगर देख वो अगर 5 ऐसे movies कर रहा है और
हम्म,
मे बी एक अंधाधुन कर रहा है, so I don't mind.
हाँ,
अगर
बरोबर.
ऐसे there will be at least consistency.
हाँ, but
But
I think उसने there was this one interview with Anupama Chopra
हाँ
with
हाँ
like ऐसा वो हर साल के लोगों को बुलाते हैं जिसन तो
हाँ.
उसमें वो
There was
बोलता
this
है कि
whole panel ना, Deepika, Ranveer,
हाँ हाँ
Vijay
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Sethupathi, all of them.
हाँ हाँ वो वाला पैनल में देयर ही
हाँ
वाज
हाँ
लाइक कि मेरे को ऐसा आई लाइक टू मिक्स इट अप बिकॉज आई लाइक माय सोशल जॉनर और मेरे को वो वाला मूवीज करने को बहुत मजा आता है.
हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ.
I go back to those movies, but बीच में I do an Andhadhun or an Article 15.
Yeah, exactly. If you keep doing an Article 15 or an Andhadhun, then I don't mind him uh, being a
Yeah.
mediocre actor because his movies will eventually carry him.
Yeah, right. अभी
That
तो देखो
that interview was too good, huh?
हाँ agreed. But
That
मेरे को बीच
panel
में
was
बहुत
good.
annoying लग रहा था when
रणवीर सिंह
that
बहुत
Ranveer
annoying लग
Singh
रहा
was
था.
trying to hog the attention the entire time. I'm like बाकी
Yeah,
लोग
yeah,
को भी
yeah.
बोलने दे. And I felt so bad for Manoj Bajpayee because that guy
Manoj
is
Bajpayee
such an
and Vijay
amazing actor.
Sethupathi. Yeah,
Exactly,
both
dude.
of them
The
got
guy who was in
wasted.
Super Deluxe.
Yeah, yeah. Have you seen Super Deluxe?
I haven't. I've been meaning to watch it, but नहीं हो रहा है.
Like, I won't say it's like a very good movie, but watchable. Performances are good more than the movie
Hmm.
itself. The
Right.
performances are good. Vijay Sethupathi is a good performer. You can also watch. There is this
Hmm.
Tamil movie called Vikram Vedha. Uh,
अच्छा. Okay.
IMDb rating is 9 plus. You can watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am gonna watch these. But that's the thing. तो मेरे को actually मनोज बाजपेयी के लिए to be honest बहुत बुरा लगता है because very
Again,
underrated.
he is like he's probably if Sushant lived on, I think maybe 20 years down the lane, he would have been what Manoj Bajpayee is right now
Agreed. Agreed.
because he's so underrated. And Family Man, because OTT is a platform where there are a lot of kids also consuming
Hmm.
content. Due to that, he got this clout now.
हाँ.
And Family Man was brilliant. Like it was so it was so good.
Agreed. मस्त था उसका. मस्त था.
अच्छा था,
The
but ये like
acting was good. The story was
hmm,
good.
he
था.
was doing
Uh,
stuff from so long, like even Bhikkhu Matre and all those things.
हाँ. हाँ. Clearly. So good. Even this guy called Akshay Khanna. He's
Yeah,
not a
yeah,
very OTT kind of a guy, but पहले he used to be like in this mainstream cinema.
yeah, but
But
he
अभी
flopped, right?
But now he started doing more good films. Like I think there was this one movie.
It's a
Forgot the
Richa
name.
Chadda na,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
one
It was
something,
about
300 article 3, no something like that, some कोई तो article का नाम था.
हाँ.
It's on
That
Prime, I
movie.
think.
That movie. Oh my God, so good, so good. मतलब, he is also. I think Abhi, if you look at his films, he's starting to do a lot of great films like that. So he's there. Have you heard of this actor called Amit Saad?
Yeah, he's a great actor. वही ना
He
वो
was in Kai
Kai
Poche
Poche.
with
Breathe man,
Sushant.
Breathe is so good.
Oh, amazing. उसमें and even Abhishek Bachchan is rising now. I think he was great in
I
Manmarthya.
feel he doesn't know how to act. That's what I feel.
I felt like he was great in Manmarthya and even in Breathe he did a good job with like that bipolar and जो उसने
हम्म,
दिखा है ना वो अच्छा था.
मैं देखा नहीं, ब्रीथ भी नहीं देखा मैं, मतलब 2 नहीं देखा. वन इज टू गुड. आई लव माधवन, मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ, Madhavan. Oh, again underrated.
Yeah,
Sharman Joshi.
at this point we are just fanboying over random actors.
Yeah. So yeah. अरे तेरे टाइम स्टैम्प मिल गया क्या बात
Timestamps.
है?
I'm probably just not gonna put timestamps. I don't care. देखो तुम लोग बैठ के जो देखना है. And so
But
yeah, I think the last we can cover one last topic. I think
okay.
future of Bollywood. What do you think? What is the future of Bollywood?
I think अभी more diverse films will come. Not very like ऐसा पूरा commercial movies एक दो आएगा साल में. But मेरे को लगता है majority of कि good content issues that we need to talk about will be put forward through films. So
Yeah, I think
that will happen.
commercial will be there, but uh, like as you said, जो social causes or issues पे movies है, that might become the new commercial. Who knows?
That's what I'm saying.
So
Yeah.
maybe like we can see Anurag Kashyap style movie gross 200 plus crores. Who knows?
Yeah. For sure. And I think theater में after this pandemic तो मुझे लगता है theater में जो नॉर्मली भी लोग मूवीज देखने जाते थे वो भी कम हो जाएगा अभी बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज ओटीटी हो गया ऑलमोस्ट एंड
Yeah,
पीपल आर
yeah.
लाइक
No, but there
या
are cine like proper people who like there are movies which needs a theater ambience, right? Like big scale movies and action thrillers, they need a theater ambience. I think it will like it depends on the viewer actually. OTT घर पे भी ऐसे तो एक home theater set कर सकते हैं. If you can afford it, you
हाँ
can do it.
एग्जैक्टली बट आई थिंक दैट विल हैपन एंड ऑल्सो आई फील लाइक I this is something that I would want. I would want like the early 90s or early 2000s वाली जो actresses हैं जो लोग को उन्होंने like ज़्यादा films नहीं करी होगी or even like like popular actresses like Rani Mukherjee or I would
Yeah,
say Kajol to do more like more movies which are not only women centric. मतलब something which is like अगर if you can get a Shah Rukh Khan to do a romantic movie with an actress who's like almost half his age, then you can also get
yeah.
actresses like Rani Mukherjee, Aishwarya Rai to do films with not probably actors who are younger, but at least with Shah Rukh Khan or somebody like that. So
Yeah, there's
even
this
like
whole
जो
age gap thing now.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So ये जो हमारे parents भी हैं, they have grown up watching these actors or have grown up with them. So उन लोग को it will also kind of like a refresher for them to back
Yeah.
to memory lane kind of a thing.
The thing is, we as a audience need to grow.
Exactly.
See, now back in like 2005, I think, Swades released. It
Yeah.
Swades flopped. There is this movie of Farhan Akhtar, na, ये क्या है, Lakshya. It flopped.
हाँ.
So
Oh, I didn't know
movies
Lakshya
like that,
flopped. Damn.
yeah, it flopped. So even today such things are happening. So I think we as an audience need to grow and be more selective. That's all. If we
Right.
become more selective, then they won't choose what to serve us. We would be demanding. So Bollywood can
Mm,
grow.
right.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I think what you're saying is right. But there are sometimes where you just want a good, basically, you want a good mix of films. मतलब सब कुछ होना चाहिए. It shouldn't be like ऐसा पूरा intense movies to the point because there are people who kind of work a lot in their regular lives, like people जो मैं दिन में बहुत काम करते हैं, तो उनको ऐसा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऐसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए कि उसमें दिमाग लगाना पड़े. So I kind of understand the concept of why people want to make shitty films and like shitty songs and this and that, because people are like कि हमको इतने नहीं, मतलब we want people to just chill, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
And intense films are also essential because हर चीज ऐसा happy go lucky नहीं होता है. Life is about, you know,
yeah. See,
intense
the
experiences.
market will remain wide. You can be
Yeah.
choosy, but make
Mhm.
it responsibly. Like make it like Dhamal. If you want to make a like leave your brain
Mhm.
behind in your home kind of movie,
Right.
so that can be that can be a way to go forward in.
Mm.
Anything else you want to add? I think we can wind up now. Otherwise,
I think we're done. I don't think
yeah. So
और
yeah,
कुछ हो सकता
uh,
है.
yeah.
Oh, one
Usual.
more mention. One more
Yeah.
mention. I'm not sure if we can. I'm not sure ये किस में आएगा क्या आएगा. But any new actors that you're looking forward to, as in they have just started doing some films, but you're like, yeah, I want to see more from them, or I'm eager to watch their movies.
Okay.
So
No,
what are?
you're asking me.
Yeah.
अच्छा, I thought you are giving out some advice like अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो ऐसा कुछ करो.
नहीं नहीं
अच्छा,
नहीं.
ऐसा I don't think I have any right now.
Mhm.
Yeah, maybe there was this Malayalam actor called Roshan Matthew who acted now
Okay.
in Anurag Kashyap's Choked.
Oh, that guy. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
maybe he has potential. I have been suggesting this to a lot of people. If you have a
Mhm.
Z5 subscription, go
I
and
do.
watch go and watch this movie called Mooton. The spelling is Moothon. Okay,
Okay.
brilliant movie. The movie is directed by Geetu Mohandas, who is a friend of Anurag Kashyap,
Okay.
and her husband is the DOP, the cinematographer of the movie, whose name
Okay.
is Rajiv Ravi. And Rajiv Ravi
Okay.
is the guy who has almost been the cinematographer for most of the Anurag Kashyap movies. Okay,
All right.
man, brilliant movie. You should watch it. Half of it is
Okay.
Lakshadweep Malayalam and half of it is
Okay.
Hindi.
Oh, all righty. All righty.
Like
Interesting.
it's a brilliant movie. Please watch it. The like
Okay.
when you shift from Lakshadweep to Mumbai, the color palette of the movie itself changes. It's just brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what
Sounds
I
very interesting
to say.
and intriguing.
And
Okay.
Roshan Matthew stars in it, so that's why.
Okay.
And Nivin
Some
Pauly, who
familiar
is
face.
yeah, Nivin
Oh,
Pauly.
Naveen Polishetty. Oh, yes.
No, not Naveen Pauly Shetty. Nivin Pauly. This is a different
Oh, okay,
actor.
okay, okay. Yeah, the Malayali actor.
Yeah, man, he's just too good.
Okay.
Fanboy, like what Ranbir Kapoor is to you, Nivin Pauly is to me.
Okay. Okay. I get your obsession now.
Yes. So please watch Moothon. I'll repeat the spelling Moothon on Z5. Don't torrent. No to piracy, please.
Oh my God. Amazing.
It will be worth that 100 rupee subscription.
Uh,
So I think we can wind up. Uh,
yes.
Naisha, it's been nice having you. And
Thank you for
regular,
having me.
yeah, anytime. Regular usual instructions like
Yes.
subscribe if you want, comment if you want. Comment, please. Actually, comments help.
And also comment your favorite movies and your favorite actors.
Yeah, and your favorite scenes or anything related to Bollywood. I don't mind. And recommend
Yeah.
anything. And follow Naisha. I'll link down her Instagram.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Guys,
So,
please subscribe and please watch. I will, you know, the thing is like I will put this podcast ka thing on my story also.
yeah,
And
sure.
some of my friends who live abroad but are a big Bollywood buffs, मैं उनको बोलूँगी कि please आके सुनो and
Okay.
subscribe for some
Yeah,
great
please
content.
subscribe. I think, currently at while recording this, I am at 63 subscribers. I want 69, please, as soon as
क्या
possible.
मतलब ऐसा
As
इतना
soon as
अच्छा
possible.
कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रहा था फिर 69 पे
This is
आगे
how
बात
I
क्यों
wind it up.
क्यों क्यों
Yeah.
मतलब
Okay, I want 99. All right.
तो 100 नहीं 99 चाहिए 100
नहीं,
नहीं मांगता है क्यों
I didn't celebrate 50 subscribers. I celebrated 49, and now I'll celebrate 99. That's how I go about.
हाँ
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I think until next
Yeah.
week. Bye guys.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.